students, today let us learn a diagrammatic question in the lesson Introduction to Microeconomics. So today's topic is production possibility curve. A production possibility curve is nothing but it shows the menu of choices along which a society can choose to substitute one good for another, assuming a given state of technology and a given total resources. This can be further explained as production possibility curve is also known as production possibility frontier or transformation curve. It shows the various alternative production possibilities of two goods that can be produced with a given resources and the source of techniques of production. It is also an important tool to solve central economic problems. Now, there are certain assumptions. Let's learn one by one. The time period does not change. It is fixed during the production process. The techniques of productions are also fixed. There is full employment in the economy. We are taking only two goods which gives us full utilization. Resources of production are fully mobile. The factors of production are given in the quantity and quality which is equally measured. The law of diminishing return operates in the production process. That means marginal utility declines with the additional units of consumption level. Now we are taking two goods, that is food and car. The schedule explains easily the production of maximum goods which is made in the society. This schedule suggests that if all resources are thrown into production of foods, a maximum of 500 tons of foods can be produced with a given technology. On the other hand, if all resources are used for producing car, only 25 cars can be produced. So in between these two extreme possibilities exist. If we are willing to give up some food, we can have some car. So I can plot this into a diagram. We can obtain a production possibility by drawing production possibility schedule graphically. On the x-axis, there is the quantity of food, and on the y-axis, the number of cars is shown. The curve implies with the different 6 production possibilities, saying that P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. Now, P7 is the point lying inside the curve, which means this situation are attainable by the society, but at this point the resources production are not fully employed, it is underemployed. Whereas the point above the curve, that is point P outside the production possibility are unattainable, as society's resources of production are not sufficient to give output beyond the curve. So for example, if society is producing at point P4, that is the midpoint P4, then it can increase the production of food keeping the number of car constant, or it can increase the production of cars keeping the food grains output constant. So it can increase both the goods of output simultaneously. Now shift of production possibility curve. The production possibility curve either goes upward or downward due to two changes. One, the changes in the supply of productive resources, and the other changes state of technology. Let's derive a conclusion. The conclusion of a production possibility curve can be explained as the collection of all possible of combination of goods and services that can be produced from a given amount of resources and a given state of technology knowledge is called as production possibility of the economy. The curve gives the maximum amount of food that can be produced in the economy or any given amount of cars and vice versa. This point is to be called as production possibility frontier. Thank you.